Today I am reviewing the NIMO 17.3-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are diving deep into a thorough, comprehensive review of a massive desktop replacement that has been making waves for offering incredible value, especially if you need a huge screen without a backbreaking price tag. We are breaking down the NIMO 17.3-inch gaming and productivity laptop. Now, let's address the elephant in the room right away. When most people hear the phrase 17-inch gaming laptop, they immediately picture a massive, heavy plastic brick that weighs 10 pounds, has a battery that dies in 45 minutes, and costs a small fortune. NIMO is taking a totally different approach here. They have engineered a slim, light, highly portable machine that bridges the gap between serious office work, intense student multitasking, and casual, everyday gaming. Let's break down exactly what this machine offers and see if it earns a spot on your desk that truly appreciate this machine. We have to start with the core processing engine, the AMD Ryzen 735HS processor. This chip is built for heavy-duty efficiency, packing 8 physical cores and 16 threads that can boost all the way up to an impressive 4.75 GHz. When you combine this level of processing muscle with a massive 32 GB of ultra-fast next-generation DDR5 memory, multitasking transitions from a headache into an absolute breeze. You can comfortably have a Zoom or Teams video conference active on one screen, multiple massive Excel spreadsheets open on another, and dozens of browser tabs running in the background without experiencing a single stutter. Handling the visual side of things is the integrated AMD Radeon 680M graphics. While this isn't a power-hungry, dedicated graphics card meant for playing the most punishing modern titles at ultra-high settings, it is a highly capable graphical engine. It easily delivers smooth, fluid frame rates for popular esports titles like League of Legends, Valorant, Minecraft, and Fortnite, while providing plenty of horsepower for photo editing and light 1080p video creation. Of course, the absolute star of the show here is the display. NIMO has equipped this device with a massive 17.3-inch Full HD IPS screen. If you are someone who works with multiple windows open side by side, this massive canvas completely eliminates the need for an external monitor when you're away from your desk. The IPS panel ensures that colors remain rich and accurate, while offering wide, comfortable viewing angles. To make things even more versatile, NIMO utilized a unique 180-degree lay-flat hinge design. This lets you open the laptop completely flat against a table, which is an incredibly useful feature for group projects, presentations, or sharing ideas with a colleague sitting across from you. The physical typing experience is equally impressive. Because of the spacious 17-inch form factor, you get a full-sized keyboard featuring a dedicated numeric keypad on the right side. If you are a finance student, an accountant, or someone who constantly manages inventory and numbers, you know how vital a dedicated number pad is for daily efficiency. The keys are completely backlit, allowing you to type comfortably in low-light environments like a dark classroom or a late-night home office. Right below the keyboard, you will find an integrated fingerprint reader for lightning-fast, secure biometric logins into Windows 11 without memorizing complex passwords. Privacy and audio are also major focus areas for NIMO. They have included a built-in physical privacy shutter over the webcam, allowing you to manually block the camera lens for total peace of mind when your video calls are finished. For remote work and online classes, the machine features dual noise-canceling microphones designed to filter out background ambient sounds, ensuring your voice comes through crystal clear on Zoom or Google Meet. This is paired with an intelligent dual-fan cooling system underneath that keeps the hardware running cool and quiet even when you're pushing the processor during heavy workloads. When it comes to staying powered up, NIMO completely eliminates the frustration of carrying around a giant, proprietary power brick. This laptop supports 100-watt USB Type-C power delivery fast charging. Combined with its internal 58 watt-hour battery, you can juice the laptop up incredibly quickly using an advanced, compact GAN charger. Because it uses a universal Type-C interface, that single charger can also power up your smartphone, tablet, or headphones, significantly reducing cable clutter in your travel bag. Speaking of cables, the port selection on this device is phenomenal. meaning you can completely throw away your external USB dongles. It features dual full-function Type-C ports with power delivery and display output support, traditional USB Type-A ports, a dedicated HDMI output that can drive an external 4K monitor, and a built-in SD card reader for quick media transfers. On the wireless front, you are fully future-proofed with state-of-the-art Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, giving you access to the ultra-fast, uncongested 6 GHz wireless band for seamless streaming and downloading. Despite the massive screen size, NIMO managed to keep the chassis remarkably slim at just 18.8 millimeters thin and weighing under 2.1 kilograms. It features a premium metal top cover that looks incredibly professional while providing solid, everyday durability. On top of that, NIMO backs this machine with a standout 2-year manufacturer warranty and a 90-day hassle-free return policy, which is double the industry standard for peace of mind. To wrap it all up, the NIMO 17.3-inch laptop is a spectacular option for students, business professionals, and casual creators who demand large-screen productivity without sacrificing mobility or breaking the bank. It takes a highly efficient 8-core Ryzen 7, pairs it with a massive 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and packs it into a sleek, secure, and easily upgradable chassis. It is fast, incredibly versatile, and built to tackle whatever your workday or school day throws at it. Thanks for listening to this comprehensive review, and happy multitasking.